Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make some curry stewed chicken and some coconut dumplings. I done already chopped up my chicken. I'm using chicken thighs, and I use my little hatchet here to chop it up to little bite-sized pieces there. And I'm using Maggie's chicken bouillon, complete, garlic powder, thyme, slap your mama, garlic and pepper, a little zazon, and a little bit of seasoned salt. So I already got my curry in here. I'm gonna mix it up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I added all my seasoning in there, and you can see I threw in there some green peppers, onions, and some green onions and scallions that I cut up and put in there because they finna go bad. So I might as well use them. So I'm gonna mix it up and I'll be right back. Okay fam, I done mixed everything up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm heating up my skillet, so I'm gonna sear the chicken first. I'm gonna add a little bit of grease in there. I'm gonna sear the chicken, then I'm gonna put it back into the pot. Okay guys, I done put a little grease in there, and now I put the chicken in there. I just want to sear it a little bit. So about 5 minutes, I'm gonna take it out, put rest of it in there, and then we're gonna continue. So stay tuned. See, that's what you want, just that little crisp on there. So I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna put the other ones in there, and I'll be back. Okay fam, I done took the chicken out of there and I put it back in this boiler, still using the same pot that I mixed all the ingredients up in. I added some water, so I'm gonna cook this probably about an hour to an hour and a half until it's tender and I know it's done. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut milk in there, so stay tuned. Okay fam, the chicken is about ready. I add a little bit of coconut milk in there, so it's thickening up. And here's my coconut milk, and I'm finna start on my dumplings. I added flour and a little bit of Maggie's seasoning in this flour, and I'm finna mix it together, add some water. Okay fam, I done mixed my flour into a dough. I add a little water with the Maggi season, mixed it together. So now I'm gonna put it inside my coconut milk. Okay fam, I done rolled my little dumplings. Y'all see them? So I'm gonna let them cook, and once they rise to the top, they will be ready. Coconut dumplings. And I put a few in here in my little stew. Ooh, steam, y'all see it? Let it simmer for a while, for about 10 to 15 minutes, and it'll be done. And then I'm gonna show you the plate. Okay fam, here's the dumplings with the coconut milk. Hope they look good. Let's taste it. A little bit of that milk, that coconut milk on there. Dumpling. That tastes good. That tastes real good. Y'all gotta try this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on, so you'll know when I upload another video. My light one went out. Bye bye fam.